Good evening, my friends, investors, old investors, new investors, as well as the heavily traders into the market. Today I am going to speak only for those people who are heavily invested in the market and they are having heavy activities in the markets. This is not a precautionary, this is not a lessening you. This is only an idea I want to put in front of you. Now, stock market idea is to multiply money, multiply. Whether market is going up, market is coming down, or market is volatile or going like sideways. I know most of you who are either heavily engaged in the market activities or heavily invested, they are having knowledges. Because without knowledge, nobody is going to put their hard-earned money or their secured money into the market. I know better. Now, so true story. This is for all trader and investor who wants to make double in 6 months, 1 year maximum. Now see what's happened. I want to make it 100 to 150 rupees, 150 using stock market. Now this 100 I straight away want to put into certain stock where I find like from 100 to 150 is possible, as well as some of the traders, some of the investors, they are having asset, they liquidate the asset, convert into the liquid cash, and they put into liquid cash into the market. Why? Because of in TB every day coming like 20%, 30% jump, 15% jump, 30% is in case of IPOs and all. 20% jump, 10% jump, 5% jump, and then you start calculating 5%, 5 into say at least 15 days in a month, 75%, I become rich. Everybody has eagerness to become rich. Even myself also, it is the truth fact. Now, see, from 100 to 150 I want to make. Now, somebody is assured by, like many analysts speaking, like market is going to be up, going to today, from today, going to cross 50,000, 52,000, 5,000 even, because looking at the overall scenario, PEs is running high but companies are earning less, so it is possible the PE becoming high because of market price of individual share on the sector price. Now what we are thinking? We are thinking this time we have to make a goal. I already explained, this is not bear market in 2020, this is not even bull market, real bull to come, but you have to utilize your idea. Now I'll say one story later on. Let me speak on the technical. This is not the equity share technical, this is the technical of your idea which you base from to make money. Now 100 to 150. Now how many 100 I can put? I'll search my assets. I'll search my secured fund. Secured fund I am having. I'll borrowing, that is loan. Now if I say, I say secure fund not to be utilized, loan not to be availed, because loan is you are going to pay 15 to 18% per annum. P full stop, A full stop, per annum you are going to pay. Now market is not assured. Instead of 150, from 100 to it could be 50 also. Even less, say 40 also, or 30 also. So 50% depreciation possible, easily possible. So loan 18% plus 2% my expenses, other, I will add, or I say I will add load, then it's become 20%. So 20% plus depreciation 50%, so 70%. And then I will not say that many of the investors commit suicide, not only in India, not only in Calcutta or Bombay or in Delhi, Chennai, it is also world over. If you see the person from 1930 was the most richest person in USA and committed suicide in 1940 because of bankruptcy. How? Because he had no patience, not went systematically. So today if I earn and I do not follow the system, tomorrow my asset can be depreciated and it might be that I even have to commit suicide because of bankruptcy or all. I am not that much big fellow. Now listen, my question was 100 to 150, 100 to 150. मेरा एक्टिविटी क्या है? मेरा एक्टिविटी दो है, एक है परचेस, एक है सेल। तो इसका बीच में जो डिफरेंस है, मेरा पहला मोटिव ये है, डिफरेंस शुड बी पॉजिटिव आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस 2%, आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस, सो पॉजिटिव minus 2%. So I leave. I am cancelling the loan, I am cancelling the secured fund, I am having asset, I can sell some asset and can. I did. You can. I did. You can. I did. You can. Put the fund in the company. You purchasing the share of a company, you become the owner of the company. So you are selling asset, putting the money into company. Instead of you are owning asset, you are owning the partial in the company. I did it. Now whether you will do it or not, utilize your brain. Now asset I can utilize, but secured fund never. Loan never. I have a zero loan. Zero loan. You must have a zero loan. Now see, from 100 to 150, purchase and sell, I must have a difference positive less 2%. Some cases might have 1%. Somebody are heavily engaged in the market. Now from 100 to 150, I have positive minus 2%, not the 50. So that I have to keep into your mind. So what you have to do, that I will speak now. Now you have understood the situation. I know very well you have understood the situation. I am a finance expert. So you might not be. If you are, then also you can take a lesson, because I take lesson every day from everyone. So I never never say, okay, I am most intelligent. Not that. It could be from you even have to take some lesson. Learning for every morning to evening is a part of the life. Learning never loses you. Only when you become more confident by learning, then it benefits you. But when you are become egoistic that I know everything, nobody is doing, I don't want to learn because I know everything. So then you is the situation, bankruptcy, then if you are in stock market, then committing suicide. Might happen. It has happened every time, not only in India, throughout the world, not only in this century, in the previous century also you can find. There are, I given one example, US, the most richest person in 1930 committed suicide in 1940. Now, I'll say one thing. So my motto is 100 to 140, 150. Now see, Many analysts they will say everything. They will say the certain stock name. Sometimes they give the these targets and all, but you have to understand. Once I am not having myself confidence that target could be, so then you don't invest. That is the first foremost. And next one is 100. Is it a place to invest certain stock at 100 or not? That again you have to understand. So I explained already fundamental, market PE. Market PE is only to guide you, but it could be like economy, world's economy, political, everything you have to consider, because learning is there and you are going to earn. So it is the biggest business you are doing. It is the biggest business you are acquiring the asset of the company. It is the biggest business you are earning the you are making acquisition, making ownership into the company. Okay. If I am a small investor, no problem. I will acquire only the asset of 1 lakh bhakka, only one part, no problem. I am become little bit more. 1 lakh bhakka 1000, so I own 1%. Now you have to understand everything. Now this to this. What you require, in short I am telling, patience, study, markets, these three things you have to have patience, you have to have well study, and you have to understand the markets. So if you do not understand all these three things, then it becomes very difficult that you are going to ruin or you are going to make a goal. Myself, Ratan Gangopadhyay, will always guide you, because I wanted to be guided by somebody in the time when I entered into the market, and it was not today's like digital market. So I used to search on papers, search on newspaper, daily news, but hardly we had certain news, and hardly we found somebody who can give me an idea. It could be a relative idea, no problem, but I never found. So today everybody is having ability of the communications, ability of the digital way of learning. So my friends, investor, followers, traders, especially try to understand 100 to 150 you could reach if you have read the market with patience, you have read the market with study, you have read the market with the like economic, political and other scenario, as well as the P of the market. So my friends, I'll say today good night. I have spoken many stock, where you have many of the investors, not all of you, they do not have that much of money to invest like certain percent, even say 5,000 to 500 to 5,000 equity share to all those companies, all MNC, all Indian company, very good, and they are having growth even from 20 to 60, 30 to 150. You can find by going through my all previous videos, and everything happened in last 6 months. Good night, my friend.